Hi all. So in this video recording, I'm showing how to install the Gupshup application into Oracle Responsys. So let's start. So this is the Oracle Responsys dashboard. So we need to go to the account, app management. Then need to click on the Oracle Marketplace. On this Oracle Marketplace, we need to search for Gupshup. Okay. Once you once the results it's shown, we need to click on this Gupshup app. So here you will see the Gupshup app page, and here we have added all the information about this app. Okay, so now we need to click on this Get App button, accept the terms and conditions, and then click on Next button. Once we click on the next button, it will start the installation process. So first, we will receive this screen. As you can see, this is the uh, Oracle Responsys location we need to select. So for my account, the Responsys location is port 5. If you guys are using the enterprise account, you need to select this Responsys enterprise. Or if you are using the generic use account, then you need to select the Responsys generic account, where you need to provide the tenant ID, site ID, and unique identifier, which you will get from the Oracle. Okay, so I'm selecting the port 5. Click on the continue button. Okay, once you click on the continue button, you will get this all the API list. Now click on the installation button. After installation, it will ask you to add the account details or the Gupshup account details. So if you do not want to add here, you can skip this page and just click on the proceed. So once you click on proceed, as you can see, the app is installed successfully. It will redirect in 10 seconds, or you can directly click on the redirect now button. So it will redirect back you to the Oracle Responses dashboard. So we need to again go to the accounts, app management. So here you can see there are total 32 application installed. So you can manually search the Gupshup app, or you can directly type the Gupshup WhatsApp messaging service for Oracle and just click on the search button. So it will get the app. Okay, this is the app name. And here you will see the edit button. If you click on this edit button, it will ask you to channel details. So I'll give you the channel name, like Gupshup demo count. Okay, HSM ID is the enterprise ID, the Gupshup enterprise ID, and the password which you will get from the Gupshup. And click on the submit button. So once you click on the submit button, it will automatically add this account. If you want to add few more accounts, you can just click on the add channel button and provide the credentials and click on the submit button. Thank you.